Ahmad is standing on the balcony of his rented apartment. The city lights are glowing, cars are moving, and people are rushing everywhere. But Ahmad is feeling nothing. He is only staring at the world with a strange emptiness. He says to himself, I am seeing everything, but I am understanding nothing. My eyes are open, but they are broken. Ahmad is not talking about real eyesight. His vision of life is damaged. His trust is weak. His confidence is shaking. His heart is tired. For months, he is living with this numb feeling. Every morning he wakes up, but he doesn't feel alive. He goes to work, but his mind stays blank. He smiles at people, but his smile feels empty. Tonight is the same. He is trying to escape from his own thoughts. Suddenly, his phone vibrates. A message appears. Where are you? We need to talk. Sana. He sighs and leaves the apartment. Ahmad is walking slowly towards a small cafe near the main road. The place is quiet at night. When he enters, he sees Sana sitting in the corner. She looks at him with worry. You look lost, she says softly. I am lost, Ahmad answers. I'm living, but not really living. I'm seeing, but not really seeing. Before Sana can reply, someone behind them laughs loudly. They turn around. It's Johnny. He joins them and sits down. His energy is still strong, but when he looks at Ahmad, his smile fades. What's going on with you, man? Johnny asks. Ahmad takes a deep breath. I feel like everything in life is against me. People, decisions, future, everything looks wrong. I don't see hope. Sana is listening carefully. Johnny is watching Ahmad's face. Ahmad continues, I trust people and they break me. I try something and it fails. I look at myself and I don't find anything good. My eyes are broken, not these, he points to his real eyes, but the eyes in my mind. Sana leans forward. So you see the world only through pain now? Ahmad nods. Yes. Every person looks dangerous. Every opportunity looks risky. Every happiness looks fake. Johnny whistles softly. Bro, this is not broken eyes. This is a broken heart. For a few minutes, no one speaks. The cafe is silent except for the sound of a coffee machine. Then Sana says, Ahmad, you are not seeing the truth. You are seeing a reflection of your pain. Like a dirty mirror. The problem is not the world. The problem is the dust. Dust? Ahmad asks. Yes, Sana says. Every mistake, every betrayal, every failure becomes dust. It covers your vision. You are not seeing reality. You are seeing dust. Johnny adds, you need to clean it. But you're not even trying. Ahmad stays silent. A week passes. Sana and Johnny are constantly checking on him. They are calling him, texting him, and sometimes showing up at his home without warning. One Saturday morning, they knock on his door. We are going out, Johnny says. Where? Ahmad asks. Just come, Sana insists. Ahmad reluctantly agrees. They are driving towards a hill viewpoint outside the city. The road is calm. The air feels fresh. Ahmad is sitting in the back seat, thinking. Sana looks at him through the mirror. You're thinking too much. I'm always thinking too much, Ahmad replies. That's the problem, she says. When they reach the top, the view is breathtaking. The sky is open. The wind is strong. The entire city is visible. Ahmad stands at the edge and watches everything quietly. For the first time in months, he feels a small change in his heart. Johnny stands next to him. The world is not small, Ahmad. You are looking at it with small eyes. Ahmad frowns. Small eyes? Yes, Johnny says. Eyes that are scared. Eyes that expect pain. Eyes that remember failure. Those eyes cannot see beauty. Sana joins them. You need new eyes. Not real eyes. New understanding. New thinking. Ahmad closes his eyes for a moment. The wind is touching his face. Something feels different. He says slowly, maybe. I am the one creating darkness. Sana smiles. Exactly. Days pass. Ahmad is trying small things. Every morning he is taking a short walk. He is drinking tea on his balcony. He is cleaning his room. He is talking politely with people. He is reading small books. He is writing short notes. He is not fully cured. But he is trying. He is learning to see again. Some days he feels strong. Some days he feels weak again. But he keeps going. One evening, he sits with his journal and writes. I am seeing the world again. Slowly. Carefully. Honestly. My eyes are learning again. Pain is still there. Fear is still there. But these things are not controlling me anymore. At that moment, his phone rings. It's Sana. What are you doing? She asks. I'm writing, Ahmad replies. Are you okay today? I'm better than yesterday. And worse than tomorrow, he says with a small smile. Sana laughs softly. Good answer. Months pass. Ahmad is changing. He is working better. He is eating better. He is sleeping better. He is talking to new people. He is opening himself again.
Moral of the story. Sometimes problems and failures make people blind, and they can't even see the easy path. We should stay patient and keep courage, no matter how hard life feels. When we create ease for others, inshallah our own path becomes easier too.